Today I'm gonna share with you some secret tips that always helps me in winning contest on any freelancer sites. So this is my freelancer account. This time I am not having much money on my freelancer account, only $49. It was $50, but this freelancer has taken $1 charge. That's a monthly fees. Leave those things. Now let me show you a few contests. You can see here I own 11 months ago, 12 months ago. So I made this account 12 months ago and I tried 1 month and I own 10 to 15 contests here, all total including projects. And after that I made one video how to work on the freelancer.com and how to earn money. But in today's video, I'm gonna show you the important things which can help you to win more number of contests. So here you can see the notifications is coming. Don't ignore this notification. This is very important to win more number of contests. Now you might be thinking how this can help you to win contest. अभी आप ध्यान से सुनिएगा. Now listen carefully. Here you can see this is a project, so I am taking the examples of the old one, then I'll go to the next step. So यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं कुछ contest जो मैंने जीता है यहाँ पे. So redesign old logo. यहाँ पे कितना देखिए, सिर्फ 31 एंट्रीज हुआ था इस contest पे, और जहाँ पे जो मेरा विनिंग एंट्री है ये आप देख सकते हैं. मैं इसको एक नया विंडो पे खोलता हूं and here you can see this is only $20 contest and now it is closed. It is closed already after submitting of my designs. So let me go to the entries. Here you can see this is my design and here you can see my name also, Abul Mansoor, and those are the competitors are here. So there was not much competitors, so I own easily here. So this is the one you can see, and now here you can see this one also. There is not much entries here. You can see only 43. এখন এটাকে খুলে দেখি. So यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं ये सिर्फ 10 यूरो का कंटेस्ट था. सो अभी मैं एंट्रीज पे जाता हूं. नाउ यू कैन सी अगेन माय नेम इज हियर. दिस इज द 43 एंट्री and I own this one. There was not much good competitors here. He rejected all other designs and you can zoom it here. आप बड़ा करके भी इसको देख सकते हैं. ये मेरा डिजाइन था जो मैंने जीता है. सो ये भी क्लोज आप यहाँ देख सकते हैं. इसको भी बंद कर देता हूँ. Let me go with this one. Create me a logo. You can see here only there are 19 entries in this contest. Only 19 entries. And winning entry, you can see on the first entry itself I got the winning entry here. So let me open this and you can open directly this one, your entry also. So here you can see the contest price was 13 Canadian dollar. So you can see here, and now let me go to entries. और यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं ये रहा मेरा एंट्री, ये मेरा नाम है. So यहाँ पे बाकी कंटेस्टर आप देख सकते हैं ज़्यादा लोग नहीं थे. सिर्फ टोटल 19 एंट्री हुआ था इस कंटेस्ट पे. और यहाँ से जो मेरा एंट्री है इसको मैं थोड़ा बड़ा कर लेता हूँ और ये डिज़ाइन देख सकते हैं. और यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं हैंड ओवर ऑप्शंस. क्योंकि मैं इस कंटेस्ट को जीता हूँ, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गेटिंग दिस गो टू हैंड ओवर ऑप्शन हियर वेयर आई सबमिटेड माय फाइल टू दिस कंटेस्ट. सो ये रहा कुछ चीज़ मैं जो आपको बताया. और यहाँ देख सकते हैं ये कंटेस्ट काफ़ी बड़ा था, ज़्यादा नहीं, सिर्फ $50 का था, लेकिन 457 एंट्रीज मिली थी इस कंटेस्ट पे, और ये $100 का था। इसमें भी ज़्यादा नहीं है, यहाँ पे देख सकते हो ओनली 98 एंट्रीज। सो 98 एंट्रीज इतना बड़ा साइट में ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है, आसानी से यूं ही चुटकी में मिल जाते हैं इतना सारा एंट्रीज कोई भी कंटेस्ट पे। सो ये मैंने अपना जो हिस्ट्री था ये आपको दिखाया है अभी, और ये सारे चीज़ को एक्सप्लेनेशन किया है। अब मैं आपको असली ट्रिक बताऊंगा। यू लिसन वेरी केयरफुली नाउ। यहाँ जो नोटिफिकेशन आता है ये बहुत ज़रूरी है। सो रिक्वायर्ड UI डिजाइनर फॉर वेबसाइट। सो लेट्स वेट फॉर logo design notifications to come here, and then we'll visit that. When these types of notifications comes here, you try to visit directly by clicking here. This will redirect to the new contest, which will be very fresh. You can see this icon. This is not for the contest one. This is for the proposal one. You need to write the proposal. There are many hundreds and thousands of people who will also submit their proposal. So this is not an easy task to get projects or proposal on freelancer side, because already it is crowded enough. Okay, now let's go to browse, and here you can see the contest. So let me click on this contest, and here you can see all different types of contests are available here now. This is the most common chart here. Those who are more popular, those who have lots of monies and important will be shown up at the top. So from here you can reduce your skills, and in contest price you can reduce it. So this is very important. Don't go much, because if you go with much higher prices, you will get lots and lots of competitors, and it would be very difficult for you to win the contest. This is the nice price variation. Don't exceed more than 50 or 100, and from here don't go with grantee, because when you will choose for the granted contest, like you can see the granted one, you can see how many entries, 1361 entries already this contest has received, and here you can see 274 entries. So don't go, and you can see here it crosses more than 1000. So don't go with the granted one. Even don't go with the sealed one. You can go with the sealed one, no problems. If it is less than $50, if you go with the sealed one is fine. Don't go with the urgent one. Top contest, definitely not. Don't go with the highlighted. Just leave as it is. Don't mark anything here. From here, find the contest which is not having those labels at the down. Only seeing this and without labels, don't enter here, because this is in the main list here. So thousands and thousands of people will be visiting to this list, and they will find this contest easily on the front, and everybody will be entering here too. So that's why I said go with the notification here. The notifications which used to come here, try to visit through that notification and visit that contest, because, or else go with the last side. This is also one of the nice trick. Here you can see it is closed. This one only got 37 entries. This one also closed. It gets one entry only. 28 entry, 21 entry. So go with the last page. Never go with the first page. If you want to get less competitors on your contest and win the contest easily. So this way you can win more number of contests and using your less effort. आप सबका शुक्रिया हमारा चैनल का साथ जुड़े रहने के लिए, और मिलते हैं एक नया टॉपिक के साथ अगले वीडियो में।